Hello guys, I'm doing Only Up already, and I wanted to record halfway there because I got bored. My friend left me because he said his VR was about to die, and I got a backpack full of broccoli. That's a good idea if you're gonna do it. So if you're gonna do it, you should get broccoli. And I'm on the third level, I think. I think that's the third level. Yeah, I didn't need to do that. There was a desert level. I could just go. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is slippery. Finish. No. This is not the finish. This is not the finish. Because I almost fell. And at that point, I was about to eat my broccoli and my controller was rumbling for no reason. Wait a minute. Oh wait, no. There's nothing anymore. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. My headset's so glitchy. I need to send them all the way up here. Wow. Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that? No, I'm going back. This place gives me the creeps already. Oh my. No, I died. Oh, also, they added a new update where you could become a ghost. So I'm gonna see what's up there. Come on. This is gonna take a while. I saw. Oh my god, there's more levels. I knew I shouldn't have just stayed back there. I knew I died. Oh, I could grab stuff? Alright. No! Oh, well. I don't have my backpack anymore. So, I'm just gonna... Whoop. Oh, yeah, my friend left. Oh. Yeah, my friend left. And if you guys want to see the update, they added this box and the egg and this rocket launcher and this thing. And that's all. They didn't add anything else new. It's kind of lame. Also, it's kind of small. I only turned off. You want more broccoli? More broccoli. Give me. Also, I could fly now. Whoa. Also, look. I just gotta get. Whoa! Oh my god! I'm flying now. Oh my god! I'm going into space. Oh my god! Oh, never mind. Also, I don't think Animal Company noticed, but if you go over here, bruh, that barely did anything. If you come over here, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Well, it will. Look. So if you I'm gonna take a grappler. So if you go over here, and you just figure your way out of here. Oh my god, look. So this is, oh my god, wrong hand. This is the space, and whoa. This is where you go. So you see the couch come up with the grappler, I guess. And you come up here into this crack. But you might notice right here, there's going to be a wall right here. So you want to push yourself between them and just grapple on here. I don't think I'm a good explainer. So like, you guys probably won't get what I'm saying. I struggle too much. You could just jump down here. Hopefully you could just go. You could even jump down there. You could also just grapple right here and then oh my god. Yeah, so like that's dangerous. You could also fall into this water. Don't be careful enough. Careful. Oh, well, I'm back in the map now. I just went in a circle. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna put this in my stash. Oh yeah, I emptied everything in here. Also, I got a gun revolver. Does that give you money? No, it does not. Also, I need new ammo. There we go. Nah, it's full of ammo. Guys, my password is totally not 1111. Alright. That's gonna be the end of the video. And bye bye.